Hey guys, we've been busy at the Botcopy factory, but want to make sure we always provide time for you, which is why we're proud to introduce Botcopy Sessions. Every other week, join a small group as we work together to build out your chat needs. Our current sessions include writing and design, website development, and fulfillment, and we'd love to see you at the next one. Here's some highlights from the one we did last week.
Welcome to our Botcopy session on fulfillment. We've got people from all over the world today.
I'm looking into Botcopy for a chat marketing agency.
Integrating with, say, a database or some form of third-party API.
This is Jim. I'm at Genentech Roche.
Hi. I'm working on an international web shop with a lot of languages.
Here, intent map reference data 1, that was the name of my intent.
Thank you guys for being the trailblazers and doing the session with us. Appreciate it.